Hello guys, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to take burst mode photos on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let's get started, but first, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So we have 3 ways to do this, but first let's open camera. So, the way number 1. We can swipe down this camera shutter button, just like this. And now we will have a series of photos. Now the second way is using volume up or volume down buttons. So just press and hold, and as you can see in my case it's just volume up or volume down, so we can change it in the settings. Go in the settings, right here scroll till you see this option shooting methods. Let's click it, and now we need to click on the press volume buttons too and change it to take picture or record video. And let's test it now. So let's press and hold volume up button. And now we also made a series of photos. And the last the third way, is to press and hold this button on the S Pen. Let me show you. Just like this. And that's all. I hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.